Hi, I'm Yash Mohan, a business analyst at Future AGI. I'll quickly walk you through the ways we can import a dataset onto the platform. So basically, there are six ways of importing a dataset. First being we can add data using SDK. So we come here, we just put in the name of our dataset. Then we can just simply copy this code and paste it in our SDK. And the data from there will automatically come into this dataset that we just created. Right. So moving on to the next one, we can simply upload a JSON or CSV file directly onto the platform, name the dataset and hit save. It'll automatically create a dataset here. Next, we can create synthetic data as well. So to create synthetic data, we just have to come here, put in a little bit of a description, pattern, or objective of the dataset. We have to add the column properties and little more description about the columns as well, and hit create, and it'll create a synthetic dataset and add it to a list. Next, we can manually create a dataset as well. So we just have to come here, we have to name the dataset. We can choose the number of rows and columns we want, and then we can manually go and put the data into each one of the cell blocks. Next, we can import data from Hugging Face as well. So suppose I come here, I select any one of these data sets, and then I can just put in the name here. I can select the subset, the split, and suppose this data set could have like thousands of rows, right? So I only want to pick the first 50 rows. I put in that number here, I hit on start experimenting. So that will import the first 50 rows of this data set onto my list. Right. So last is we can add data from existing datasets as well. So basically, we come here, we put in the name, we select the dataset we want to extract data from and import into a new dataset. Then we can just simply tick off any column we don't want in this new dataset and click on add. That will create a dataset with these three columns. So yeah, these are the six ways we can import dataset onto the platform.